Hi, I'm Rob Bohr and welcome back to City Grillin', and in this episode I'm going to do a really simple, easy Cajun shrimp on the grill. And you can use your own Cajun seasoning you can buy at the store and sprinkle it on the shrimp, but I like to make my own with Old Bay, and I have the recipe out on citygrillin.com. You can get it right there, and I've doubled the batch. I have about 1.5 pounds, almost 2 pounds of shrimp here. Fresh shrimp, you can buy frozen shrimp, but I've cleaned it, deveined it, and basically all I'm gonna do is put about a tablespoon of oil on the shrimp, just like so. Then I have some Old Bay seasoning, some sea salt, as well as, what else do I have in here? Cayenne pepper and paprika. And that makes a great seasoning for shrimp. So I'll just sprinkle on like that. And go ahead and mix it up. I'll just use my hands, mix this up, get them well coated. I could sit this in the refrigerator for a little while before I get ready to grill it. Or if I'm ready to grill right now, I'll go ahead and heat up the grill and get ready to cook these. All right, there we go. I've got the grill set at 400 degrees. I love to use a cookie rack in here. You can see that grid. That makes it real easy to put shrimp or scallops or any seafood out here without it falling through the grate. So I have my Cajun shrimp, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it throughout here. I don't want to overlap them. I just want to lay them on this cookie sheet. Just place them on there. And I have these two burners on right now. The other side's off just in case it gets too hot. And we'll cook these for about, 3 minutes or so, then flip them over and then cook the other side. This is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna check my shrimp. It looks pretty good. I can start to see that it's changing color a little bit, less opaque. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over and give them maybe about 3 more minutes. I don't want to overcook them, and that's always the tricky part with shrimp, is overcooking, right? So if these come to a real tight ball, that's looking almost done. So I'll give it towards the cooler side, move these over, and cook them again. Like I say, 3 minutes, and these are going to be ready. I'll give one a try before I take them inside, because I always like to try it myself first. 2 minutes, not quite 3 minutes. I'm checking it as I cook this, and these look perfect. They start to curl up. We're just going to go ahead and get them in this bowl, plate them up a little bit, and maybe pull one on the side here, and I'll try that one here in just a second. But go ahead and bring these on into this bowl so I can serve them up. Oh, those smell wonderful. This is a simple recipe. I highly recommend it. Yeah, you could do this inside if you wanted in a toaster oven or your full-size oven. But of course, it's fun to grill outside, especially when it's nice outside. Even if it's raining outside, it's fun to be out in the grill, right? So if I can, I'm gonna maybe try this one. That's gonna be really hot because it's coming off the grill. Oh yeah, perfect, delicious, great recipe. Get it at citygrillin.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.